Today I'm heading in to Love Those Lashes in Paddington to get my lash extensions infilled. I've been coming here for years. The staff there are really good and they understand that I want a really natural effect. First up, I have a consultation with my lash technician, Amrita. I tell her that it's been almost 3 weeks since I was in and most of them have fallen out or twisted, which can happen when your lashes grow. To begin with, she places an under-eye mask under my eyes to help hydrate the area. Then she sticks a tissue on my forehead so she can rest her fingers there. Then cleanses my lashes and applies a primer to help remove any dust or sweat or makeup residue. And it also ensures there's no barrier between the glue and the lashes. My lashes are given a brush through to smooth out any kinks. I always go for silk lashes, although you can get acrylic or mink. Mink is softer, but I think they're a little too fine for me. I like a more voluminous look. It's less about length for me. Amrita uses 2 different size lashes, a medium size 9 and a longer size 12. The 12s are applied at the end to give a sultry sort of cat eye effect. It also elongates the eye. As you can see, it's incredibly delicate, painstaking work. I have such respect for lash technicians. They have to have the steadiest of hands and so much patience. Amrita uses a mini fan to help the glue dry, then spritzes my lashes, which also helps it dry and can prevent stinging or irritation. She hands me the mirror so I can have a look at the final result, and as always, I'm thrilled. I think lashes make you look younger as well, and you can also wear less makeup. Wearing less eye makeup is great for 2 reasons. First, it's a massive time saver, not only in the application, but also in the removal. Using eye makeup remover every day can really drag your skin and increase your chances of getting fine lines. People ask me if lashes damage your natural lash, and it's hard to say because I do notice that my lashes appear shorter when they fall out, but it's also hard to know if that's because you get used to the look of having lash extensions. I'm sure it would impact them somewhat, but it's a price I'm willing to pay. I also love that you have that little bit of glamour 24/7. Whether you're waking up in the morning, going to the gym, swimming, dashing up to the shops on a Sunday afternoon, it's the ultimate lazy girl's beauty hack.